In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make custom frames in Canva. This is a fun and creative way to add a unique touch to your designs, and you'll be surprised at how easy it is. So grab your computer and let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up Canva. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up, which is quick and straightforward. Once you're logged in, you'll see your Canva dashboard, which is your creative playground. You have numerous design templates and ideas right at your fingertips. Next, go ahead and open a new design. This could be as simple as choosing a template that matches what you're designing, whether that's a social media post, a flyer, or even a presentation. Just click on Create a Design and select the canvas size that suits your project best. Once your blank canvas is open, direct your attention to the left sidebar where you'll see an option labeled Apps. Click on it, and this will open up a world of additional tools and features that Canva offers. Scroll through the options and search for the FrameMaker app. It might take a moment to find, but it's well worth the brief search. After finding the FrameMaker, click on it to get started. This feature is fantastic for customizing the look of your design, allowing you to create shapes that best suit the style you're going for. You can choose from various shapes and styles to create the exact frame you envision. Now it's time for some creativity. Start playing around with creating your shape. You can adjust the dimensions and even try out different styles until you find what feels just right for your project. Remember, this is your chance to experiment and have fun with the design elements. With your shape ready, you'll want to drag your chosen image inside that shape. This is a simple drag and drop process that allows your image to fit snugly within the frame you've created. It can truly enhance the overall look, making your design pop with creativity. Once the image is inside the shape, take a moment to adjust and move the shape within your overall design. Ensure it's perfectly positioned and the proportions look good. Sometimes, slight adjustments can make a significant difference in the final appearance. After you're happy with how everything looks, the final step is to click Share. From here, you can download your brand new customized design. You have the option to save it as a PNG or JPG file, depending on what you need. And there you have it. In just a few easy steps, you've created a custom frame design in Canva. It's a simple yet powerful way to enhance your projects and give them a personal touch. Thanks for tuning in and happy designing.